Hey there everyone, today we have another unboxing and review for you. We'll be taking a closer look at the Pixio PXC277 27-inch curved gaming monitor, which comes in at a very affordable price of just over $200. And let's dive in and see if this monitor can deliver a decent budget-friendly gaming experience. So before we get into the specs and image quality tests, let's first unbox the Pixio PXC277 and see what's inside. Opening up the box, we find the monitor itself nicely protected with foam padding to ensure safe shipping. First, we have the lower part of the monitor stand. It's made from metal and feels nice and solid, so that's a good thing. Next, we got all the cables, a display port cable, the power cord, and a VESA mount bracket. Here is the power brick itself. And we also have the other part of the stand, which simply clicks to the back of the monitor. The installation process is really simple, as you'll see in just a minute. Now let's take a closer look at the monitor itself. The Pixio PXC277 features a sleek design with a slim bezel and a curved 27-inch 165Hz display. The curvature adds an extra touch of immersion to your gaming experience, and at this price point it's quite nice to have that. Moving on to the setting up process. The upper part of the stand is secured by the provided two screws. And the monitor simply clicks into place just like that. This stand feels very solid, the only downside is that we only have tilt adjustment. On the back of the monitor we find the menu navigation joystick, which is simple and intuitive to use. And there we have all the ports, the power in port, USB port for firmware update, one HDMI, two display ports and 3.5mm audio out. Now that we have the monitor all set up, let's talk about its performance, specs and overall gaming experience. First, the Pixio PXC277 boasts a 27-inch curved fast VI panel. We are working with a 2560x1440p max resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, impressive gray-to-gray response time of only 1 millisecond, and 320 nits max brightness. Now, unlike IPS panels, fast VI panels achieve much higher contrast. Their main advantage is that they produce deeper black tones and more detail in shadows, so there's less loss of information than with IPS panels. The monitor boasts 165Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth and fluid motion during gameplay and immediate content consumption. I noticed minimal motion blur, which results in a more enjoyable gaming experience. The 1 millisecond response time also helps reduce input lag, translating your actions onto the screen with minimal delay. In terms of color accuracy, the monitor delivers decent results. It covers 124% of sRGB color space, offering reasonable accuracy and vibrant visuals. While it may not rival the color reproduction of the more expensive options, it certainly holds its own in its price range. As you can see, those specs and numbers translate to a very good image quality in GTA 5, a game that recently received a next-gen update and it's still a benchmark for visual fidelity. Next, I also tested Fortnite. The 1 millisecond response time really makes the whole experience more snappy and responsive. The panel is also plenty bright. I'm playing in a very well lit environment with studio lighting as well, and as you can see, the brightness is decent. The Pixio PXC277 also implements a flicker-free technology which reduces eye strain, which is excellent for those extra long gaming sessions. Overall, for a $239 monitor, the Pixio PXC277 delivers a solid performance and provides an immersive gaming experience without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup without emptying your wallet, the Pixio PXC277 is definitely worth considering. It may not have all the high-end features, but it certainly delivers where it matters most: fast response time, 165Hz refresh rate, 1440p resolution, nice vivid colors and excellent dark tones. So, if you're on a budget, you may want to check out this monitor. If you're interested, links will be in the video description. And guys, thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.